like to give two perspectives of the creation account. One is the creation of the universe, where you have God uh, making the light, which is the sun, the moon, the stars, uh, the ocean, the sky, which is the firmament, I guess. So then the creatures, the creeping insects and the crawling animals and the beasts of the field and what have you. In the second perspective, it talks about the creation of man and the creation of his assistant, which was the woman. And then it talks about the fall. This story just simply gives an orderly account of the nature of God. God is a God of order. God is a good God. God is a loving God. God is a disciplined God. God is a principled God. With that being said, what am I saying? He expects that from us. Read from Genesis, it gives a vivid creation account, a direct and a concise order in which things were done. So as Christians, as God-fearing people, we we are we are we are designed to do things in order. We ought to do things in order, rather. We are created for a purpose. We are created for a reason. There's a reason why we're here on earth. So, with that being said, I want to thank you very much for listening. I'll bring you more short clips. Please follow. Keep watching. God will bless you. Goodbye.